Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy, really quick spiced chicken patties. These things taste amazing and they're really quick to do. Alright, 500 grams of chicken mince just bought from your local supermarket. Put that into a bowl. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of taco seasoning. I make my own. I'll try and leave a link in the description below on how to do that. 2 tablespoons worth of dried Italian herbs. Right, that's it. We're going to give all of that a really good stir. That taco seasoning's got a nice amount of salt and pepper and all those beautiful flavors in it, so we don't need to add anything else. Right, we're going to give all that a good stir. I'm going to make up a quick sauce. I'm going to add in 280 grams worth of Greek yogurt into a bowl, just like that, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons worth of tahini. If you like it more sesame, add the 3. You can even add 4, but I'm just going to add a bit of tahini in. About half a teaspoon's worth of dried dill that's going in, and about half a teaspoon's worth of dried mint that is going in, and I'm going to add in a pinch of salt as well. Give all of that a good stir, just like that. And there you go, you've got this most amazing tahini style yogurt, and it is absolutely perfect for our little spiced chicken patties. Okay, alright, they can go into the fridge until we are ready. Right, our meat has sat there for a little bit and got all its flavors all infused. I'm going to use a small ice cream scoop. I'm just going to scoop those out into my hand, put those into some breadcrumb and give them a little bit of a pat down. We're not going to go too hard, we're not going to crush them too hard, and we're just going to give them just a little bit of flatness but a little bit of fluffiness at the same time. Pretty simple sort of stuff. So we're just going to keep going with our chicken mince mixture, as I said, just like that. Ice cream scoop, bang, straight in. Give it a little bit of a fluff around with some breadcrumbs, and they're just store-bought breadcrumbs. You don't have to go and make your own. Make them a little bit flat, like a little bit of a patty, just like that. Put them aside and we'll get ready for our next step. Pretty simple, and this dish is really cost effective. We got a little bit of oil into a pan. We're going to put our patties down just like that, and as you can see, we've got those nice little bubbles around the outside. Nothing going too ballistic as far as heat is concerned. We just want those nice little bubbles around the outside, and that way we're going to be cooking absolutely to perfection. They're going to take you around about sort of 4 to 5 minutes or so to cook, and on one side, and we can give them a little bit of a flip. Once we get a bit of golden color on one side, give them a flip and they'll be ready to go for the next side, and the next side is going to take you about half as long as it would the first. If you're not sure if your patties are done, get a thermometer, a probe thermometer, put it in the center and make sure you're up anywhere near the sort of 70-degree mark with these ones. These are a little bit more deceptive than doing a roast chicken. With roast chicken you want 74. These we can get away with around about 70. And there you go. You've got KP's spiced chicken patties. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Really easy, really quick, and really tasty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get that KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something quick, easy, and almost finger foodish like this one, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my spiced chicken patties, and I will catch you next time. Bye.